I'm gonna show you how to connect your Zoho Mail plugin into your WordPress. So to get started, you make sure you go to wordpress.com and then sign in into your account. And then once you are there, you just have to go to your page or your account and then go to plugins right bottom here. And then once you click on plugins, you will be now redirected to their page, or you can search your plugins. So you just have to wait. And then from here on the search bar, you just have to type in the Zoho Mail plugin and then sign in. And when you have a WordPress, make sure that you have in a business plan so you can install all necessary plugins that you want. And so from here, when you search in Zoho Mail plugin, you just have to click on this one. And then once you're done with that, just have to click on install in this one right here. If you have already have a business plan, just have to click on install. And then once you have done install, you just have to sign in into your Zoho Mail plugin account, and then it will automatically connect into your WordPress. So that's pretty much it. That's how you install your Zoho Mail plugin in your WordPress.